Good morning, all. Yesterday we discussed about how to create a Gmail ID with your SS number or employee code. In this video, we may learn about how to use this mail ID in Adobe Scanner as well as in Google Classroom. Let us go to Google Classroom. As a student, I need to enter into Google Classroom. For that, I will get a code from my teacher to my WhatsApp or somewhat. So here I got WhatsApp. I'll click on this. Then screen will be appear like this, right? You will get a message, sorry, something like, no need to worry. Once observe down one, Rajesh Lanka, VSK300. This is my email ID. I want to use it now as a teacher. But as a student, you will get this one. Because in your mobile, there may be some other email IDs also. For you, if you so like switch account, then click on switch account. You then whatever the mail ID you want, then click it. But now I want BSK300197 as a student. I want to join. Then join class. Right. Now I'm the member of a class, what we call 8 Techno Boys. And my teacher assigned a test even, a new assignment for mathematics. And I got this message by 8:26, teacher posted at 8:26. Okay. I need to write this test. So for this purpose, what I have to do? Simply, I need to click on the test due today. ఈ రోజు నేను ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి and before 10 I need to submit this. Okay, for this purpose. So I can see the paper, just I kept on image like, yeah, this is the question paper. Suppose this is the question, you can see the question paper like this. If it is a PDF or it is a link or it is an image, whatever it may be, if you click on the particular one, you can able to see. No need to write anything on this question paper. You can take your exam pad or somewhat white paper or whatever instructions given by your teachers or your instructors, follow that. So what I am telling now, how to write the examination. So you can able to see the symbols, due date, mass, add comment, attachment. Down you can see one arrow, up arrow mark. If you click on that, you can see one icon, add attachment. So remember this one. Again I will come back to you. I will out from this classroom. I want to back from the screen. I want to go for Adobe Scanner. Suppose if you feel you wrote something on your exam pad, your exam is completed. Now you can open your Adobe Scanner. Yeah. At the beginning, it may ask you to enter into email ID. Give that email ID. So here you can see so many options: a whiteboard or form or document. Click on the documents. So it is my question. It is my paper now. What I wrote. So you can see the icons. Automatically it will collect. So please keep your paper in good lighting conditions. Right, now you can adjust the paper. That's why I'm suggesting you to write on on the scan with Google Adobe Scanner. See how it is look like. So then I have 2 more pages. Suppose if I have 2 more pages, do one thing, click continue. Again it will scan. Right, page 2 over. I want to crop, suppose some unnecessary parts. Yeah, right, it's good. Continue. 3rd page also there. How many pages means how many? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wish. So this is my 3rd page. Right, good. So you can see the image clarity. If it is not good, then click on the button retake. Click on the button retake. Suppose if you feel the image quality is not good, because I am in a closed room now, to avoid the disturbance, to avoid the sounds, that's why, and the clarity is not good. Click on continue. So now you can see down. You can see down these images. 3 images are there. Click on the images. Once see Adobe Scan September 8, 2020. Click on that. Then you have a pop-up or you have an icon. You have a box to rename. click on into symbol. So which test this is? What I kept it is a maths test, maths. Okay, and paper 1 or paper 2 your wish, or test 1 or test your wish, whatever you want you can keep based on your teacher instructions. Maths test 1. Okay, so it is saved like. Now see, observe clearly. So now my paper is ready. Now I want to save this, save PDF. So it is doing, it takes 1 minute time, right? You can observe few icons, share, preview, comment, more. Now you need to click on more. Repeat again, click on more. So it is in Adobe Scan now. I want to save this one is in my mobile, copy to device. Click on the first option, copy to device. So where it will save now? This is $100 question now. I need to go back. I want to go to my file manager, right? Basically, if you are already, I fixed all the things, that's why. Otherwise, you can go to your file manager and check your documents file. In different mobiles, it may be in different manner. So any mobile, you can see the document file like this, document file. So here, Adobe Scan, first one. Yeah, see, Adobe Scan. Repeat again. Go to your mobile. You can see like this, so many folders. If you are not organized, then you can see like this. So from this, I need to check download documents. In documents, you can see the first file, Adobe Scan. So your paper is ready now. If you want, you can see now. Right. Fine. So what I want to do now, I want to upload my file to that drive. I want to upload this. So I will go back to my Google Classroom. As a student, click on Add Attachment. Where it is now in Files. Already otherwise you will get like this. I will go to internal storage. Then I will get files like this. So documents, Adobe Scan, first one, click on that. Now your answer sheet is going to turn in. So your test is ready, now turn in. That's it. That's it. Your exam is submitted to your teacher. Your part is over now. Then what? Suppose if your teacher is corrected the answer sheet and he will come back to you, then you can see that. You can see in your mail, he will give the marks as well as the comment, whatever may be. See this? This is the icon. Observe these 3 lines. So classes, calendar, to do, 8 Techno Boys. As a teacher, if I am a teacher means I can see enrolled. In the enrolled column, I can see some sections, whatever it may be. If I am a student, to do. Okay, na? And if you want to check the papers, whatever you want to, you are sending to the teachers, simply click on classroom folders. Classroom folders. This 6A, 6B, my previous classes I deleted. Now the present class is 8 Techno Boys. Yeah. So whatever the question paper I sent to my teacher, I can able to see. And one more thing, if your teacher corrects the papers and send it to you back, again you are able to see that also. And one is your answer sheet, other one is the corrected sheet. Both you can see in this achieved class. Fine. Thank you.